TJ, I have difficulty while talking to my friends. I always go into extra detail that's boring, and my friends are not captivated by my talk. How do I overcome this problem? This is a common problem. Here's the solution. The second you detect a friend is bored by what you say, stop doing it. Stop talking. Ask them what they think. Change the conversational flow. Say, am I making sense? Worst case scenario, say, am I boring? Anything other than going down that path of giving more boring details. You need to really be looking at your friends when you're talking. If all of a sudden you're and you're not focusing on your friends, that's why they're bored. If you're really paying close attention to someone you're talking to, you should know exactly when you're losing them. So pay attention, be ready to stop, be ready to change directions, be ready to say something more interesting.